Okay, so hey everyone, this is side Chris, come back with another new video. Now today in this video I am going to show you how we can unlock bootloader of your any Xiaomi phone here. So you can notice here I have successfully installed bootloader of my Redmi 12 5G here. So if you're having any another device like Poco phone, Redmi phone and Miui series phone and Xiaomi series phone here, or tablets here or pads here, so how we can unlock bootloader here? So first of all, you can notice here I having the Redmi 12 5G and currently bootloader is locked here. So I want to show here first of all about phone section. You can notice here HyperOS 2.2 and it currently running on Android version 15 here. So if your device running on Android, I mean HyperOS 3, HyperOS 1 or Miui or any other version, then you can easily unlock by the help of this tutorial here. If your device running on Android 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 8, 9 like this type of, then you can easily unlock by the help of this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. After that you can watch it. Okay, so simply you have to tap on 7 time on OS version or MIUI version. After that your developer option will enable here. Then you have to scroll down here and select here additional settings. Before you have to make sure your Xiaomi account is logged in on your Xiaomi phone here. And after that tap on additional settings and you have to open here a developer option here. And scroll down here and you can notice here this type of option appear here, OEM unlocking. So simply enable this toggle here and after that tap on Mi unlock status. Then after that tap add account and devices. You can notice here in my case it added successfully because I already got permission from Xiaomi community application. And if you want to permission from Xiaomi community application, then how you can do here? First of all, you have to download one application from Play Store, and also you can download from any App Store or Google Play Store here. Google Play Store or Chrome here. So I am going to download from Chrome here. Its name is Mi Community application. So you have to download this application or Xiaomi Community application. So install this application here. It's available free of cost in Play Store or any App Store, and also you can download from any browser here. So install this application in your device first. After that open this application here. First time it will ask for some permission, then you have to allow all permission here, and also it will ask for login or sign in. So simply you have to tap on sign in or sign up and tap on OK, allow all permission. It will automatically detect your account and automatic sign in or login your account in Xiaomi community application. Then you have to go back and simply tap on Mi section here, and you can notice here third option here, unlock bootloader here. You can notice a third option, unlock bootloader. Here you can got permission for unlocking bootloader here. Before you can read here, account must be registered for 30 days. It means minimum 30 or 40 day old account you required here. But in my case you can notice here my account is too much older here, 656 day old account here. So I have already got permission of unlocking bootloader. If you want, then you have to tap on apply for unlocking. And currently you can notice here application quarter limited it means a quarter is full right now. So you have to try at 12 PM according to China time here. So you have to first convert your China time according to your region. You can convert by the help of Google Chrome here, like this type of when China time is 000, then in India like this type of, you can notice here time in India is 9:30 PM. So you can try at 9:30 PM every night here. You definitely got permission from Xiaomi community application. It is a little bit difficult, but you have to try it at least. If you got the permission from Xiaomi community application, then you have to tap on add account and devices here. If you got permission, then you can easily unlock bootloader here. It is one of the difficult tasks for getting permission or everything here. So at least you have to try. After that you have to enable toggle here named as USB debugging. So after getting of permission, you have to enable this toggle USB debugging. After that you have also enable the toggle named as USB secure debugging. Enable both toggle. After that you have to require one window PC and one data cable and some Wi-Fi or mobile data internet here. So enable both toggle first. After that take a proper backup of your Android phone here, because after unlocking of bootloader your device will entire be formatted here. So first take a proper backup and make sure your device minimally 40-50% charge here. So after that you can proceed this video here. Then you have to open any browser in your phone here, I mean a Windows PC here, and you have to download one tool here. Its name is Mi Unlock tool. So you have to search here Mi Unlock tool here and download in your Windows PC or Windows laptop here. So this tool is totally free of cost. You can easily download from my Telegram, and you also can download from this website or web page here. After searching of Mi Unlock tool here, this type of interface appear here. So select here Miui ROM here, this website here, and this type of interface appear here. So simply you have to scroll up here, scroll down here, and you can notice here download Mi Unlock tool here. So you have to download here latest one. So tap on download and it will start downloading here. So wait for complete download here. After that you have to extract this Mi Unlock tool in your Windows PC here. Okay, so open here File Manager or File Explorer in your Windows PC, and select here Downloads folder, and select here Mi Unlock tool. Right click and tap on extract here, and tap on extract. Okay, after that this type of folder will created on your Windows PC here after extracting. So double tap on it and open it, and here you can notice lots of file available here, and you can also notice here Mi Flash Unlock here. So double click on Mi Flash Unlock here, and after that this type of page appear here. So wait. Okay, this type of page appear here. So you have to wait, and you have to log in your Xiaomi same account which login in your device here, and also you got a 1 or 2 OTP for confirmation or authentication purpose here. So you have to first log in with your phone number or email ID, or also you can log in by the help of Xiaomi account here, and sometime it will ask like this type of permission. Then you have to allow all permission and then log in here. And sometimes it asks for OTP or confirmation code here. So you have to send OTP in your register phone number and enter your OTP for confirmation purpose here. After that this type of page appear here. So you have to wait and tap on agree here. Then you have to connect your device in fastboot mode. So first take a proper backup and minimally charge your 40 or 50% your phone. Then power off your phone here. And make sure your device will entire formatted. Then first take a proper backup. After that power off your device and boot in fastboot mode. For fastboot mode you have to press and hold here power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. Your device will automatic boot in fastboot mode. So you can notice here my device is successfully boot in fastboot mode here. After that you have to connect your device with your Windows PC or Windows laptop here by the help of data cable. You can easily connect. After connecting it will show your device name connected, like you can notice here phone connected, and it will take few seconds here. Okay, after that you have to tap on unlock here, and you also can read here unlocking the phone will erase all phone data whether to connect to unlock this phone. So you have to tap continue anyway or unlock anyway, and unlocking process will start here. And sometime it will say to wait here 72 hours or any other time here. So you have to wait 72 hours. After that you can unlock your bootloader here. But in my case you can notice here unlock successfully here. So my device automatic boot in system and automatic format here. So you can notice here bootloader unlock symbol appear on the top. It means our device is successfully unlocked here. So in your case it will say for wait 48 hours or 72 hours. So you have to wait 74 hours or 72 hours according to your waiting time. After that you have to connect your phone again and run this Mi Unlock tool, and after that you can easily unlock here. After unlocking of bootloader you have to set up your device, and after that you can enjoy your phone here. If you want to install any custom ROM, then I will provide video link in description. If you want to install custom recovery, if you want to install any port ROM or any other customization if you want to apply on your device, after unlocking of bootloader you can easily do here. So you can notice your same device. After that tap on 7 times on OS version. For confirmation I want to show here, tap on additional settings and tap on developer option here, and in Mi unlock status, you can notice here this device is unlocked. It means our device is successfully unlocked. We can install any custom ROM, custom recovery, like all these type of things. So that's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in any another video. Thanks for watching this video.